the FTC is excited to announce that we have signed a MOU with SportsEye for live coverage of our Lahore Marathon, which will take place next year. For the next 5 years, we have signed this agreement, under which SportsEye will provide live coverage of Lahore Marathon and they will promote the event. और इस साल भी जो 25 फरवरी को लाहौर मैराथन का इवेंट हुआ था, इसमें SportsEye actually played a very important role in promoting the event, and they actually provided the live coverage of the event, which was a big achievement. No other marathon actually got this kind of live coverage for the event, and SportsEye, I must compliment SportsEye for providing the live coverage of the event. FTC is very thrilled and excited for their support for the next 5 years as well. Thank you, SportsEye.